Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing on how you can withdraw money from Remotasks. In order to do so, you will first need to have an AirTM account and link it to your Remotasks account. Once linked, your Remotasks balance will be automatically transferred to your AirTM account every week between Tuesday and Thursday. From there, you can withdraw your funds from your AirTM account to your bank account or whichever preferred payment method you have. All you simply need to do is access your Remotasks account, go to your profile, then select account and click payment. Choose AirTM as your preferred payment method, add an email address associated with your AirTM account, and click submit to link your accounts. Once you've done so, withdraw from your AirTM account to log in. Initiate the withdrawal by clicking the withdrawal button. Choose the payment method as in select how you want to receive your funds, bank account, PayPal, Venmo, etc. Enter the specific amount you want and which currency you want it in. Continue and add banking info. Then go ahead and complete the transfer and confirm the receipt by verifying the payment in your bank and click AirTM transfer received. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.